Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. This is David from AcuPower. Today, per request that we have been receiving on our social networks, I want to use this privilege to show you more detailed about our new product, which is called the 3D Visualizer in Acumatica. So if you are an engineer or a person responsible for planning and creation of bill of materials, this is the solution that will help you to accelerate the BOM creation. To save you more time and also to avoid human errors when it comes to planning, because this is a very important for every manufacturing company. So without further ado, let me share my screen and I will show you what we've created. Join me. So this product can be found in the engineering workbench. And as you can see, I have put it in my favorite because it's a product that I like so much. It gives you the view of what you're doing. So without further ado, I click on engineering workbench. And here you can see the product, the items that when, let's say you work in the engineering department, this is something that you work on a day-to-day basis by creating items, bill of materials, and creating assembly, organizing the parts in order for you to perform your work. Everything has been set in the basis of Acumatica ERP, as all this functionality you see here is a standard functionality in Acumatica. Now, to edit this using the 3D model, you need to put everything on hold here, and you can see how product showed up. This 3D model allows you to import the 3D design that you have. Let's say you have it on your drive, you have it on your computer, you have it on your server, and you want to import it. You use this functionality to do that by taking you to where the design is, where you save it, and you import that. I have already imported this example, so I don't have to do it to save time. So I'll cancel that. And now we have this imported file here, and you can see it's created according to parts. And any parts that I click on will give me what is involved and what I can see here. So, right, it's very easy, and this is a standard way of viewing materials in Acumatica. But if you click on 3D model, what happens here is actually amazing. Let me adjust this a bit. And here you have the ability to see what model or what 3D actually looks like when you uses this functionality in Acumatica. So here within Acumatica instance, or within Acumatica, you can see this. So this is something that is new in Acumatica, and I believe this can enhance the way we work or the way your team work to save time by what? Having the ability to view in and also to zoom in to find exactly what you're looking for, what is the issue of the product, and what you should do. So let's assume that I want to remove the fenders, the mirrors, I want to take out the body of the car. What should I do? All this functionality has been listed here by configuration, and therefore when you click, let's say I want to see only, I want to take out the body, you click here, and what we get, we go to the 3D model, and this is what you see. Here we have the ability to see the physical part, or let me say the hidden part of the car. Yeah, here is exactly what you're supposed to see, and based on the configuration that we give, using this as an example, you can see and you can view in so much for you to see every detail. Therefore, attention in detail is needed when it comes to crafting, when it comes to designing, and you can do all this with doing Acumatica. How cool is that? You don't need sorry, you don't need third party application to do that. So all these allows you to do your work efficiently, and most of all to save time. So like the example that I just showed you. If you want to, let's say I want to remove the tires and see what next. Yeah, we're left with the body of the car. We're left with this. Yeah. So this is very cool feature that allows you to vividly work on every single part of the material or of the item that you are creating. The 3D view allows you to see exactly what you're doing, and therefore it becomes very easier for you to, find a room for error. Why? Because you have everything in 3D format, therefore allowing you to do your work exactly how you're supposed to do. So we believe that with this model is going to be something that will help your business to expand when it comes to the engineering workbench. So we already have an integration with SolidWorks. So CAD and 3D Max are the next ones that my team is targeting. And our goal with this product is to automate the bill of materials creation as much as possible, in order to free up your time for other responsibilities at your workplace. It is very important for my team to work on that. So we will have more features upcoming. First, we plan to create a seamless integration with CAD and 3D Max, as I said earlier. But for now, to upload the 3D models to Acumatica yourself. But then you can do this directly, or you can import all this directly to Acumatica, which is something that my team is working on now. If you would like to get your hands on it, on 3D models in engineering workbench of Acumatica, you can reach out to me at david.donko@acupowererp.com, or you can send me email with your questions, and with a convenient date and time to schedule a personal demonstration with me. You can leave a comment at our social network post, and my team, hey, will be ready to give you a response in that. One way also is by visiting our website, AcuPowerERP.com. You can fill the online contact form, submit it, and my team will reach out to you immediately to schedule a time and day that is convenient for you to put your hands on the 3D visualizer that we have for you. Thank you.